Hello everyone, welcome to the Hard Reset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to turn up alarm volume on your iPhone. So the first thing that we're going to do is open up the settings. Then we're going to scroll down to Sounds and Haptics, and here we have the ringtone and alert slider. So this makes the alarm louder. For example, if you're sleeping and your alarm isn't waking you up because it's not loud enough, what you can do is you can just drag the slider to whatever volume you need, and it will play like a preview so you know how loud it is. And then once you've selected it, you can just exit out and your settings will be saved automatically. And the next time an alarm plays, it'll be more louder. So that's about it. Thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.